How to promote your affiliate marketing website or affiliate links on Leadsleap. In this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through that step by step. You have an affiliate link. Now you have to prepare a few things in order to promote that page on Leadsleap. So number one is a banner. We need to come up with a banner that has a specific size, which is 375 by 250, and I will show you by the end of this video how you can make beautiful banners completely for free using online tools. Second thing, you need to come up with a good title, which has to be 25 characters max. So Leadsleap will allow you to put only 25 maximum characters on the title of the ad, and then you need to come up with a description, which is 60 characters maximum. And you can see that I already have my title and I have also my description. Make affiliate commission by cloning my affiliate funnel, which promotes the page I just showed you, this one here. And of course I have the link to promote. I made that landing page here, made it using GetResponse, and this is why we can see here getresponsepages.com, and my funnel is called this subdomain here. So this is the main dashboard of Leadsleap, and if you don't already have an account on Leadsleap, feel free to click the affiliate link below this video, register a free account, and if you have any questions or you need help, please leave me your questions below. So there are lots of sections at the left hand side of the website where you can do lots of things related to affiliate marketing and promotion, but we want to work only with this section here where it says advertising. So as a free member, you can go to this menu here to set up your ads, and as a pro member, you can click on this menu here to set up your ads. Now, what's the difference? When you are a free member, you have only 3 ads that you can add into the system, and then in order for you to receive traffic on these ads here, these 3 ads here, as you can see, you have to click on the other members ads to collect credits that will be used to promote your own ads. Now if you are a pro member on Leadsleap, you can put up to 10 ads without having to click other members ads. The system will start promoting your 10 ads completely on autopilot, and you don't have to do anything. I mean, you just set up your ads and then the system will promote them for you. And as you can see here, on the past 7 days, I received 397 clicks on these different ads here. And believe me, the traffic coming from Leadsleap is very targeted to affiliate marketing and make money online. And the total visits I received since I started working on Leadsleap is 20,436 clicks. Now on my free account credits, or my free credits, I received a total visits of 2,265, and in the last 7 days I received 40 clicks. So what I want to do now is actually I'm going to remove one of these free ads here and then set it up for you so you can see exactly how it works. I'm going to remove this ad here, and then I will set up a brand new one for you. So I click on the trash can here to remove, and then click OK to confirm, and now I have only 2 free ads. So I click on this button here called Add a New Ad, and then you will see this section here where you need to put everything you need. And I prepared everything so I can grab the link. This is the link I want to promote, so I copy it and then I go back to Leadsleap and I put it here where it says URL. and then it is asking me for a catchy title. I already prepared that as well, so I'm going to copy it from here and put it on Leadsleap here on the title section. And here it gives you some advice how you write a good catchy title. It gives you also some advice on how to write a description, and it says here 60 characters maximum. So let's grab our description and bring it here to Leadsleap. So this is my description, and I'm going to just paste it here. I always like to prepare my ads before setting them up. Now here is where we put the banner. Remember, a banner of 375 on 250 needs to go here. So I click on this button here that will allow me to upload one picture. So you click on this green button, upload an image, and then you browse on your computer to where your image is. So here is my image. Double click on it, and then you need to click on this green check to add it. And now it's asking me for a category of the ad, and affiliate marketing is a good category in this case. So I'm going to click on this button here that says save and submit, and then it says here you already have an ad with the same title. So I need to change the title because one of these three has the same title. So I'm going to put here site. Let's call it just site. I mean free affiliate site, just for the sake of this example. And now it took it and it said your ad has been submitted. And now if I click on this menu here, I will see my 3 ads. This is the one that I just made, and it is active and running. And if I have credits on my account, this will be displayed here on the right hand side, and also it will be displayed on a network of websites that are promoting these ads to make some money. So now it's done, the ad has been set up, and if anyone sees my ad on the right hand side of Leadsleap or on the other partner websites that are promoting these widgets here and clicks on it, he will get to my landing page promoting the free affiliate funnel, and this is exactly what we wanted. So remember, you have 3 ads as a free member, and you need to click on some ads to collect credits. But if you are a pro member, you can have those 3 plus you have 10 ads that you can set up without having to click on other members' ads to collect credit. This will run 24/7 for you. Now let me show you how you can make a banner like this using free online tools in order to use it on Leadsleap. So I used 2 websites. The first one is called canva.com, and the second one is called resizeimage.net. Both are free. So I make a banner on Canva, and since Canva doesn't allow me to resize my pictures, I will take it from Canva and then resize it here for free. That's to make the picture 375 pixels by 250. So when you go to Canva, all you have to do is type on the search bar, type banner, and then it will show you all kinds of templates that you can choose from. So this will depend on your taste. This will depend also on the website that you are promoting or something like that. Let's say, for example, I like this style here. I click on it, and then of course you can make changes here on Canva. Like for example, this picture, I don't need it, I just remove it. So select it and then remove it. Actually, I can just click on this picture as well and then click on the delete button to get rid of it. And then you can move these objects here. For example, you want to put this one in the middle, of course this one also. You can play with the size of the text. You can write anything you want here, and then you put an call to action here, for example. So this is a rectangular banner that I want to use on Leadsleap, but this is too big. I want to resize it. So the first thing I need to do is download it to my computer as it is, and for that you go to here, download, and then I prefer PNG, so I keep it PNG and then download it to my computer. And as you can see, I just downloaded it to my computer and it's right here. Now I want to go to the website where I resize the picture, which is this one. It's called resizeimage.net and it's free. So this is the home page. I want to use the simple mode, so I click on this button. It will open on a new window, and the first step, it asks me to upload the picture. So I already have it on my computer. Click on the button and then double click on your picture, and what we want to do then is untick this one here that says keep aspect ratio. We want to give our own aspect ratio, and I have the width and the height, so I put here 375 and I put here 250. These are the dimensions of Leadsleap banners. And then I click on this button here that says resize now. Please wait, and now it says download the image. Click on it, and then it has been downloaded to my computer. And as you can see here, I have it here, the blue and red banner, 375 by 250. And what I'm going to do, I'm going just to test it for you on Leadsleap. So if I want to, for example, update this ad, I just go here. This is just an example. I want to replace this one by the one we just made. So click here and then click the green button, upload image, and then I want to choose this, and look at this. It fills the space. It's exactly the image we want. And now we click on this green one. I'm not going to do it because this is not for my ad. So this is exactly how you can promote your websites or your affiliate links on Leadsleap. Feel free to register a new account using the link below this video, and if you have any questions, please also feel free to ask them on the comment section. I thank you very much for making it so far and watching the video. Have a great day, and I will see you on my next video.